Hi students, welcome back to the class 4 of the topology. In this class we are going to discuss the left ray topology for R and the right ray topology for R and some examples on left ray topology and right ray topology of R. Let R be the set of all real numbers. For each alpha belongs to R. Alpha is any element of R. We define the left ray as L alpha equals set of X belongs to R such that X less than alpha. Left ray topology nothing but left side of alpha, that is X less than alpha. Alpha is any point on the real line, then we take the elements which are left side of alpha equals open interval minus infinity comma alpha. Let T be the family consisting of pi R and all possible left rays. Then T is a topology for R. It is given that T is consisting of pi. Pi belongs to T. First condition holds good. And T be the family consisting of pi R. R belongs to T. It's also given first two conditions are holds good. Next we have to prove that third and fourth conditions holds good. If set of L alpha such that alpha belongs to any arbitrary set A which is a subset of R, be any collection of sets in T. Okay, union of set of L alpha such that alpha belongs to A subset of R equals either real line itself. If we take the union of all these collections, then we may get R or LU, where U is supremum of A. And each one of R and LU being a member of T, it follows that this union is in T. Fourth condition, if L alpha and L beta be any two members of T, then L alpha intersection L beta, if you take the intersection, then the intersection of these two sets will be smallest set L gamma, where gamma equals minimum of alpha and beta. Further, L alpha intersection R equals L alpha, this is bigger set, this is smaller set, and L alpha intersection pi equals pi, this is smaller, this is bigger. In intersection we take smallest. Thus the intersection of any two members of T is in T. Consequently T is a topology for R. This topology is known as left ray topology or left hand topology for R. Similarly, right ray topology for R. Let R be the set of real numbers. For each X belongs to R, we define right ray as G alpha equals set of X belongs to R such that X greater than alpha, right side of alpha, that is alpha comma infinity. If alpha is any point on the real line, then we take the elements which are right side of alpha, that is open interval alpha comma infinity. Here we have to show that T is a topology. First one, it is given that pi and R, they are the elements of T. Pi belongs to T, R belongs to T. Okay. If set of G alpha such that alpha belongs to A contained in subset of R be any collection of sets in T, then union of these collection may be equal to R or G alpha where alpha GL where L is infimum of A. And each one of alpha R and GL being a member of T, it follows that this is also in T, that is union of G alpha such that alpha belongs to a subset of R is in T. Fourth one, if G alpha and G beta be any two members of T, then G alpha intersection G beta equals pi R G gamma, where gamma may be minimum of alpha and beta, where gamma is minimum of alpha and beta. G alpha intersection R, here minimum is G alpha, this is biggest G alpha, and G alpha intersection pi equals pi. Thus the intersection of any two members of T is in T. Consequently, T is a topology for R. This topology is known as right-ray topology for R or right-hand topology for R. Example, let n be the set of all natural numbers and let T be the family consisting of pi and all subsets of n of the form Gm equals set of m plus 1, m plus 2 and so on, where m belongs to n. Then prove that T is a topology for n. Okay, here n be the set of natural numbers and T be the family consisting of pi and n. Here the elements of the n are of the form Gm equals set of m, m plus 1, m plus 2 and so on, where m belongs to natural numbers. Then we have to prove that T is a topology. Okay, here T satisfies the following axiom. First one, it is given consisting of pi. T consisting of pi, nothing but pi is element of T which is given. Second one, n equals, n can be written as m, m plus 1, m plus 2 and so on. Same, n equals 1, 2, 3 and so on, which is equal to this set G1. If n is 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3, same. This is G1. G1 belongs to T. First two conditions holds good. Third one, if G set of G alpha such that alpha belongs to A subset of n be any collections of sets in T, then n being a well-ordered set, A contains a smallest positive integer k, that is infimum of A equals k, and therefore union of set of G alpha such that alpha belongs to A contained in n, which is equals Gk, which is belongs to T. Therefore T satisfies third condition. Fourth one, if Gm and Gn be any two sets in T, then Gm intersection Gn equals Gm or Gn according as m greater than n or n greater than m. If m is greater, then this value equals Gn. If n is greater, then this value equals Gm. Therefore, in both the cases, Gm intersection Gn belongs to T. Hence, T is a topology for n.